Done. Have you found a girlfriend yet?
No, not yet.
What about Jenny?
She has a boyfriend.
Oh, I thought they broke up.
No, they're still together.
How about that girl from work you were telling me about last year?
Who, Emily? She's married now. She got married last month.
I see. It seems like everyone our age is married.
Yeah, it's not easy.
Is there anyone you're interested in?
There is one girl I like who lives in my building. I talk to her a lot because she's also studying English.
What's she like?
She's really nice. She moved here from Texas about 3 months ago.
What does she do?
She's an accountant.
That's a good job. She must be really smart. Have you asked her out yet?
Actually, we're going to dinner on Friday.
Good luck.